Welcome to SOS Electronic. In the following podcast, we will discover reliable read sensor MK04 Standex-Meder for security systems. Finding the optimal solution with a read contact and a permanent magnet can be quite challenging. Magnetic field lines are invisible, so how to choose the correct mutual orientation and proper distances? Standex-Meder provides the solution. Read sensors MK04 and their corresponding magnet MO4. Both are housed in cases whose shapes and dimensions precisely determine how to use them and in what positions to mount them. Read contacts are distinguished by many properties that significantly surpass standard switching technologies. Standex-Meder components, moreover, belong to the top in this segment. A read contact can be considered a sensor controlled by a magnetic field, most commonly a permanent magnet or a coil creating a read relay. Components with read contacts can be divided into three basic groups: read contacts, read sensors, and read relays. Read contacts operate on the principle of deformation of magnetically conductive reeds in a magnetic field. The most exceptional properties of read contacts stem from the fact that the contacts themselves are small, light, and in case of small types, they are spaced only a few hundredths of a millimeter apart. They are also hermetically sealed in a glass capsule, in a vacuum, or more commonly filled with an inert gas. Thanks to this construction, Standex-Meder read contacts, as well as read relays and read sensors, are characterized by very good properties. Where can we use the read sensor? Using read sensors is one of the most widespread solutions and serves primarily as part of security systems on doors and windows of buildings. Another possible use is as a limit or position switch in pneumatic or hydraulic equipment, but you can also find them in washing machines or dishwashers. How does the MK04 Standex-Meder read sensor work? The MK04 sensor is mounted on the stationary part of the device using screws. The terminal is typically a half-meter cable. The sensor has one switching contact. In the rest position, with the magnet distant, it is open. The contact can handle a continuous current of 0.5 amps and a voltage of 180 volts DC. The maximum power load is 10 watts. The permanent magnet is logically mounted on the moving part of the device, such as the door or window panel, also using two screws. Both elements are sold separately. The UL certification is a bonus. All key features and technical details of read sensors MK04 Standex-Meder, including type of marking and other useful information, can be found on our website. The most commonly used read contacts and magnets from Standex-Meder are available directly from our warehouse. We are happy to provide all other versions for you upon request and under favorable conditions. If you are interested in more information about Standex-Meder products, or if you need technical advice, please contact us at soselectronic.com and we will gladly assist you.